It is the ultimate rockhound dream. You are kneeling in the dirt, sifting through the mud, and suddenly you are pulling a real, valuable raw diamond right out of the earth. You can actually do this at Crater of Diamonds State Park in Arkansas. It is a massive 37.5-acre plowed field where visitors get to hunt for gems, and you get to keep whatever you find. To get you ready, we have put together a complete field guide. We will walk through exactly what to pack, where to dig, how to wash your gravel, and how to identify a raw diamond in the rough. Finding a diamond out here requires a specific geological strategy and the proper preparation before you even step foot in the mud. Let's start with logistics. Entry will run you $15 for adults and $7 for kids. You are going to get dirty, so wear old clothes and a sturdy pair of boots. This checklist shows the essential tools you will need for the day: sifting screens, a sturdy shovel, and buckets. Notice the bonus tip at the bottom. Bring a spray bottle filled with water. It is incredibly useful for quickly cleaning potential finds. This sign outlines the park rules. You must stay within the marked digging limits, clean up your holes so you leave no trace, and keep drones packed away, as they are strictly banned from the airspace. This graphic compares an optimal field guide to common mistakes. Because you will be dealing with water and mud, a thick, water-resistant reference tag is crucial. Standard paper sheets will disintegrate within minutes. Having the right gear keeps you comfortable during a long day in the sun, and it acts as your first line of defense against accidentally overlooking a valuable gem. Once you pass the gates, you are faced with over 37 acres of open dirt. Picking a random spot to start digging can feel overwhelming. This guide shows the highest probability locations. The green box highlights plowed fields, best searched right after heavy rain. If dry, shift attention to the drainage ditches in the brown box. Heavy minerals naturally accumulate in these low spots. The physics here work in your favor. Diamonds are significantly heavier than the surrounding dirt and common rocks. As rainwater washes through the field, lighter silt is carried away, while the heavy diamonds sink and get trapped at the very bottom of these V-shaped washouts. Once you understand how water and gravity act on heavy minerals, you can predict exactly where the diamonds are going to hide. When you find a promising spot, it is time to process the dirt. This 4-step visual breaks down exactly how to extract and wash your material. Step 1 is straightforward. Use your shovel to scoop the raw dirt directly into your bucket. For step 2, take that heavy dirt to the park's wet sifting pavilions. Wet sifting dramatically increases your odds of finding a diamond compared to dry dirt. In step 3, transfer your dirt to mesh screens and plunge them into the water. You need to vigorously shake the screen up and down in the water. This physical action washes away the loose silt, leaving only clean gravel. Finally, step 4, you carefully scan the remaining washed gravel. Because you shook the screen, the heaviest stones, including any diamonds, will settle right in the bottom center of your mesh. By wet sifting, you remove the visual noise of the mud, leaving only a small pile of the highest probability heavy targets to sort through. Now that your gravel is clean, you have to know what to look for. The most common beginner mistake is scanning the screen for a blinding sparkle. Raw diamonds do not look like cut engagement rings. This macro photo shows a real diamond directly compared to the 3 most common false positives you will encounter: glass, quartz, and mica. Look closely at the diamond on the left. It has a metallic, frosted glass appearance with smooth, rounded edges. The broken glass next to it is highly transparent, extremely shiny, and has sharp, jagged breaks. Moving to the right, you can see the distinct hexagonal, pointed structure of a quartz crystal. On the far right is mica, which forms in flat, fragile flakes that easily peel apart. While you are scanning, check step 4 on this graphic. Keep an eye out for oddballs. The field is packed with other colorful, valuable minerals like jaspers and agates. If you stop looking for a blinding shine and start looking for that specific frosted texture and smooth shape, your chances of spotting a real diamond go way up. If you think you have found something, refer to step 5. Take your stone directly to the park office. They will verify it, weigh it, and officially register your find in the park's history books. This graphic points you to the online community. Once your stone is verified, snap a photo and share it with the Arkansas Rockhound Republic using these tags so other diggers can celebrate with you. This final graphic says it best. Good luck out there in the dirt. With a methodical approach to reading the terrain, the proper sifting equipment, and a trained eye for that frosted glow, anyone can walk into that field and unearth a permanent piece of geological history.